Here I have THOMSON Teo 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, you have to hold down, just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this. And the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, volume down key, power button, and we got it. You can find your screenshots in gallery in the special screenshots folder. And here they are. And here you can share, edit them, delete these screenshots, and also use as. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.